Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by importing samples and matching them to your project's tempo and sample rate. First, pick WAV, AIF, or Apple loops for compatibility, then drag them into the tracks area or use File Import Audio. Once added, choose whether to keep original tempo or enable flex time. Make sure the sample's sample rate matches the project or resample to avoid artifacts. After that, name the track clearly so you can find it fast and proceed to editing. Next, you move into detailed editing using Quick Sampler or the full sampler instrument. Load the clip, then slice or use transient detection to create slices you can map across keys. Adjust root key, attack decay sustain release envelope, and pitch settings to fit your arrangement. If you need tempo changes, enable warp or flex time to preserve audio quality. To add realism, create zones for velocity layers or round-robin repeats. Finally, arrange your samples in the timeline and make them musical. Quantize regions, apply groove templates, and trim fades to avoid clicks. Route the sampler track to buses for shared processing, then sculpt with EQ, compression, transient shaping, and a touch of reverb to sit in the mix. Once done, make sure to bounce in place for CPU-heavy patches. If you hear glitches, check sample rate mismatch, reduce buffer size, or disable latency-inducing plugins. Those steps usually fix timing and audio artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.